Okay, my people, now welcome back to my channel. How una day? I hope una day fine. How everything? I hope everything day fine with una. For me, as una dey see, I day fine. I thank God for everything. My people, I don't come back again with another news, another ogbonge one. We be say, if you see this one, my people, it go chocolize you. If everywhere don't read, my people. I say only me one not go see this video. Make una also see this video, make una settle down, watch this video till the end. I beg my people also, if you never subscribe to this channel, what do you they wait for? As you they subscribe, you could see more video like this one. Okay, my people, I beg, make una subscribe, like and share. For this junction, I go to leave una, make una watch the video, and I go also see you now for the next one. Okay, my people, see you all, stay blessed. Stay cool, and I love you all, and bye-bye.
It's okay, stop crying, mama. Yeah, Spain is confirmed. Seal is a deal. Spain already, we don't confirm that one since. Who know that I will chop the money finish? Whether I never chop money for Spain. That Spain money, who know whether I will finish her for London here. You got low, man. Spain is confirmed. Madrid. Any see login here work back boy. But Paris now we refer they talk about because now their own be the first. Now Paris show be the first. As I they land, the next show where they play as I they enter that France now Paris show. So we need to emphasize on it very well. If you know say you never buy your ticket, call First OZ. Now no one now. Our popular musician now, that fine boy, First OZ, make una call him. He number still there. I put him for this very live video. So, he number there. If you know say you never buy your ticket, call your number for there. Make you buy your ticket. And the poster when they post since the hall don't change. Don't change the hall because due to the way they set tickets, the hall where we first carry not go contain people. You understand? So you know say you don't need to call. I don't know that if you pick your call. May I pick hello? Epa mundia rene ni mune. So we not expect, like we not open my put say we expect too much people, so we can't carry small hall. But people now come out to let us know say the love is massive. They love me. They love Sister Carol. They want to see Sister Carol. So the way that they go about the ticket, the way the sales on ticket they go, the hall not go contain. You understand? So we can't get to change the hall. The address now don't change. You understand? So the new hall where they can't go carry, the address still did this live video. So the address did there. You see for there. But if I not fit pronounce am well, on a manager, he may get those. He had to speak a French mawa. Voulez-vous bosser? C'est bon. Ça va bien, merci. Il y a d'autres. But what they get many years the French in the hall. Even there, I'm not say French. They not gain. So the new hall. Now ya muna the address. Let me speak French. Is number 17. Ebole, wagiyan ebolero bole. Bole wine bolero stel bole. Ebole ni Anthony wenwe wa so ke yana roast ave coco yam be roasted plantain by in roasted plantain on yante ebole bi Yoruba. So e na ni agbe isori bi Yoruba yan street na because yan na gbe your way bole abi wagi yan wagi akota bole Boulevard de la Libération. Oh, what for me? I too much. Ubatie Kalekwa Boulevard. Owe bole. Owe ave agavorede. Ave boulevard. Ve bole why that Boulevard de la Liberation number 17 is very close to Saint Denis. Saint Denis. Sakadenis.
Yes, Sakadenis.
Okay, where Sakadenis? It's sarcastic way. Owe Sakadenis. Wa ta do magba wa ta do be gba wa be ta. Huh?
DJ Bongo
Gakato na fone eme bole atana Shashak Ogbe di address ye ba ne Shashak no ga owe number 17 bole agave bole 17 upo na ve bole ni so owe ba ni e ma hana we di show abege ege mari emi gbe be deri o sale bua imaga izeri akala to kekebe ogede na to ya leyin no to yo wa ero ni fi wala wa leyin no wa to yo eyin gbe aga wa gbara fún ni maya aja agbera mi ga si wa be dere wo he bo iwe stakalo no wa vale wa ewe yin to izale wa bole. Yes, that's a place where the show is going to be taking place. So please, if you know say your house fast more quick come off for house. I know one waiting happen for Manchester, may it come happen for France. He said him be now when he go avie. Ike go one so many was so ve. E dere ime wa ime avie. O mala wa drive from very far. Kiye ka was yo no space again. No space. No viere ya lawa. The woman was just crying. We can drive video there regbe. You understand? So imao ne baby only do sunu ndo we ya wa se get yi wa the ticket so wo bo gani ya ga bole phone so wo bo so urere wa the ticket we nia tie Festo Z no the ticket so we wa David Derio ohun ma kwerere wa yo de we city woman na were ogbo ma be mo city we setting gbi na yi mo ro ma ya mu gbi na no the ticket you so that what David who are you doing we city work when so that we get to that here if I know that today something no do like that buy your ticket. God bless you. Thank you so much, Paris people. I love you guys. You guys are wonderful. We go carry small like that say we don't know where the guys mama come on ticket he won't finish or the hall not go reach now 4:40 we take car go they find her. The way they say respond Paris people now too much. Now God will bless you. Now why you power manu wa eva wa manu wa me and wario boy you can din no den wa. Iya we ni hoyeta wa ya de ticket or ye go. God bless you. And Berlin. Berlin. Even if wa kele dans a city no confirm ni mu egbe yes. Iya only a receive Istakaro when you wa kelen wa make na so that woman na he kenu ye won we in mamu egbe so when we ya rule na that's why like train no why like plane no check no we sike we se we na no ade o to we ga find a solution o we e mani we show we wa ni ma emu egbe ni we ya giant we ya starting where Istakaro must come. So listen, Berlin, get ready. Why we Berlin we je umaye de
DJ Bongo.
Umaye we de ticket we try call it DJ Bongo abi DJ Bongo. Yes, DJ Bongo will be live and direct in that hall that day. Wa na DJ Bongo popular demand in nobody no everybody know rumbo na da bia dey on DJ Bongo na no na watie ore ba be derio be Berlin o ga enwe prepare for US tour too. Okay. Adio no problem. Na baba God dey do one. Why will my day ticket you the date for the Berlin on the 10th. Berlin on the 10th. On the 10th, or working date for Berlin is on the 10th. Yes, on the 10th. Then, Rattigen. rati gen na de wono na veje ijemi yan we rati ekini rati na ka bobun wa ga de vedere wa eri ihe ima o le rati ri o ma ro pa mo oke pa mi ku ni rati gen ewo ni wo ga bi he we o ma e de ticket una e we wonu je ya de ticket we and a number no wa here call obere the poster no cause no get gemina a number no wa here call obere the poster so very simple wa call the number here the ticket o you only arrange with sister Carol then okay a rati again now on a Saturday 11th September okay Berlin na Friday 10th of September then rati again na Saturday 11th of September then in Madrid ibe Madrid gba lori yan gbo ane Madrid na Sunday 19th of September ibe Madrid na Sunday 19th of September there na Amsterdam na 25th of September which is on Saturday 25th of September on Amsterdam then Torino ni mara ti atawe Torino there is like so on my balance on my clear on my clear so ye Torino wa try wa get clear to beg na ni on my clear say so ye Torino wa la wo wa try Italy as a whole Italy it may not even be Torino on my way amaiwe Torino it can be anywhere in Italy so if Italy now Italy is not among now at all so omeno jie na why ye kwe ya with sister Carona why fall in my hands why fall in my leg yeah I think time but why fall in my hand omeno jie so why fall in my hand so Italy as a whole now why oh egata onegi gata moga o iyo onegi gata moga o awa egata moga wa egato wa ege ewo no ne ovie moto ivio moto bi sese oba no gedo ewo ni bi eje aho esun na waya zio wa segbe kokonu wa zio na mi we anywhere no really dey your home area Torino at least Italy ni na me we amadede we show Italy after o ma me o ma work wala wo Marcia TV ude de Sylvester o wa yo gwa o ita agari abasi nu wa believe why he wa ke like that again why if I dey stay first come tell me say ayo the lace why we come they don shook or put I no fit so Napoli they write Napoli from the right Torino Paris don't try now they try Paris they do well why we award or a Europe or different from award or a UK why so now when me again now na do me we a Paris or me award or a Europe now because in agba lo e dey agba boy he say me I come to Milano no the day o ye jemi wa be yan be ya but I gana e wa ya mu yo ba keep I be jere me ma ya be mi be live video na have a good time so anywhere and one artist Carol wa re hono Roma o hono ga Torino no ga Milano anywhere one artist me I did there then a month be Belgium and we are the ticket to Belgium and the ticket to a ticket here because even we show a Belgium my megbe ya matie so it's China when worry last in there where I will talk about it on my live video when it's a Belgium where mama ticket a Belgium there even the Belgium they have not called for so that is that. Then for that Rome how will I explain it? Rome, there's no show for me in Rome there. a show a show Mary Rome, not there. So Italy as a whole, I never get show for there. I never get show for Italy. So that is to say, if I don't have any show there as a personal show, I will not be coming, not mine. I will not be coming to Italy. If I not get my personal show, say I want to do show, I know they come Italy. So the ones we ready, we don't tax their own. I need to focus on them. I'll help them to be doing adverts, and I'll help them to at least help them to promote the show so that people will be aware. Okay, the one you are seeing there, that's I'm a guest artist there. Maybe I just reach there, just come enjoy my, just come stroll around. Now they see that Rome advert that they put me in a Dove festival. I they come there. If I come there, they come as guest artists. You know what to be guest artist now? Guest artist now. Maybe I'll come, just relax. I'll come they give me things, my they flex myself. I'll they enjoy myself. You understand? I'll just come there, come enjoy myself that day. So that is it. As it be said, that one now waiting consign. Now waiting consign our kingdom. Now waiting consign our great palace. Now Edo festival something. So I know if you say I know will come. So I will try as much as possible. I will try as much as possible to be there, just to come and show my face so that people will, Lady of Song, she come. Do you understand? Just to show my face. So say personal show, I never get show for Italy as a whole. So please make una try. Make una try. Make una put heads together. Doro cash. Make we organize. Make we for organize and wear. Make una for see me. You know, go say as I will just come Europe, I not go Italy never with your man, I know you're there. So no nah. Joseph, I say you must single. I never know. At least my presence is still something now. Abi, my presence a big thing. Based on saying our Benin kingdom, my your boy Atemu. So if there is time for me, no problem. No say many artists they come. Many artists they come there. Many from Nigeria, from diaspora, everywhere. So if there is time for me to like throw away one track for now, I will see throw away for now. The time not see the no problems, but at least my presence matters a lot. So Paris people, now on the 28th, make una not forget, on the 28th, yes, of this month where we did so, on the 28th, which is next Saturday, on the 28th, that be next, as many they talk now, today na Sunday. So the show na next Saturday. That is this Saturday where they come. Today na Sunday now. This next Saturday where they come. So now be the show for Paris. Okay, you're gonna call me Meg Ojoy. This is your first time, and it's not gonna be your last. You will not regret it. You'll call me. Call my WhatsApp. You call me mama or inbox me, then we'll discuss and we'll talk. Miss Jennifer Bestie, not be my fault. So okay, now Smith will carry the Europe Award. Okay, no problem. On the 17th of which month? On the 17th of which month? On the 17th of which... Yes, let me not forget to still appreciate my people, because a show now, and the way I am here, I know, I've been down since I play Manchester show. I've been down. I don't feel like they call where they here, not be go where they here, not be here. Go see day where. So after that show, I was down. Cough, headache, malaria, I can't just, but I thank God I'm okay now. So all my social media presenters, if I don't mention your name, not me say you not do well for me. Nothing can like that. I beg, I use God to beg everybody. If lady or son don't mention people, you don't mention my name. If you say I forget, because I dey see wetin una dey do for me, I dey see am. Na my God na go reward una. Me I no go fit pay back. Na my God na go reward una. All social media presenters from Edo State, God will bless you all. God will reward you all. In fact, when would they work out, they go where kere no. I told by egg then Yobona unek before. Yobona unek before. I will make even or maybe Salobana give my way you bought down a big bono Maria Mama here unek be here because a bono created babe na when I will born baby no ma. You don't can any my have all social media presenters. May God bless you all. I love you all. Mama Gladys, call ye nije boko nije USJ beg the Manchester Day. What you still did, God will bless you. Rita Ayemiomo, you who called me yesterday. Say people want to buy a ticket for Paris, and they see the way Paris show they go. People they call. God will bless you, ma. I love you so much. God will bless you. I forgot to mention Atiti, Prophet Atiti. The other time, I forgot to mention your name, Prophet Atiti. God bless you, sir. God bless you. All social media presenters, all of you from A to Z. You guys are really done wonderfully well. You guys have really done wonderfully well. What's his name? Enoge Priceless. Not Enoge Priceless. Yes. God bless you, brother. I saw it. You posted my poster. God bless you. Umewa talk show never see rest. Till now, so they talk na my people like Berlin. And na Berlin. On see day what in now. You see day profile picture till now. Umewa talk show. Till today as we talk. Omaye mu eyin. See there. Dada Masi. See there. Stainless DJ Kubana. You too much. Lolo talk show. You too much. Now God will bless you. God will bless you, mama. Aproko, the Godfather. He is a low. Anyway, they show now. You are dying now. Anything we drop, they always a post. Wait till I can't say thank you now. No, back I need. I say thank you now. Is it may not moment, but now only God now go reward all of you now. Individual, we see they post, even if you are not a blogger, individual, and they see all of you now. The one with after they do comedy, skits, some the one when I still see, I will still share them. If I don't see share your own, I beg. No verse say I just follow lady of some do advert. She not even feel share her, she not even feel thank me. Lao. If I not see her, you feel bring her to my notice. If you send and give me, I will post her. Please, my beautiful people of Edo State, may God bless you all, and I love you all.